Hi guys, this is Hitesh. I'm here with this product. Okay, what is this product for? Okay, if you are online marketer, affiliate marketer, and if you are doing all this online business as a side hustle, and if you are job person, employee or businessman or whatever, okay, so it will reduce your time. Okay, if you are affiliate marketer, so it will reduce your time, plus it will increase your source of income from one number to second number, not only second number, two number. Okay, you will get source of income from two different sources. So it will increase one more source for your income. Second, third thing is it will create automatic content for your actually all time fresh content for your website. Actually what it will do, it will create websites for your ClickBank offers, okay, which you are promoting as an affiliate. If you are in online business, so you will know what I'm talking about. So this will create automatically websites for you. So what benefit you will get? First, you will earn from online sales. Second, you will earn from monetization, because in general if you are doing online marketing, you will not get monetization your website for your website. But here, after 30 to 40 content and articles, you can just apply for monetization and you will start earning from there too. Okay, so that's how this product will work. This will create fresh content for you. Article rewriter already integrated in this, or also you can integrate this by using API key. Okay, so that it will start working for you. So now this is the inside area, membership area. We will discuss each and everything. This is the product, which is Banklify. You can see here. Now this is my bonus page. I will tell you, I at this time I'm providing you 10 bonuses. Okay, so you already know what this product is for. So we will discuss each and every this feature so that you will understand this product is going to fit for you or not, and then you can decide later. Now this is website I'm created, or clicked on this. I already made one website, but I'm going to show you one more website. Okay, I hope you got the point what this product is going to do. It will reduce your time. Okay, because if you are in of online marketing, you need to create landing pages, one for each and every product. Just you have to add some bonuses and all, and just later you will create one bonus page. Okay, and then you will reduce your that time just because of this tool. Second, you will go for monetization. Okay, because this will create websites for you, just like landing pages, and more than that, because you are going to add some content here. Okay, on landing page you don't need all type of the good content and all, but it will help you to do that. So just because of content, you can apply for monetization, so you will earn from monetization. Second, you will earn from online sales. Two source of income you are going to get here. Okay, and just discuss all these things. Now this is website settings. We are inside this, so I'm giving name it fashion. This time I'm giving name it lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle. Template, I'm going to choose second number. Already some built-in templates. Okay, you can go ahead for your logo and all. Contact now, email this so that some people will contact to you. Lifestyle store. Okay, just a little bit intro. Now this is for what? If you are going to present some news related to your niche. Okay, if you are in online industry, so if you are going to if you are going to give some news to your audience, so just you might be using some applications, some news applications. Directly you can connect that application from this tool, which is Banklify, by using this API key. Okay, you have to just put your news application API key here, and you can just import some news directly into your website by using this feature. Now ClickBank ID, how to get ClickBank ID? When you log in inside your ClickBank account, so this is your account nickname. Okay, when you log in, you will see this type of appearance. Just click on this button. Okay, what is this actually? This is dashboard. Okay, just click on dashboard, and here you can see account nickname. So account nickname and ClickBank ID both are the same. Okay, so this is you have to put here. Now I'm going to, okay, let me finish this. Site title is lifestyle, and site description. Oh, I clicked on this, I think. I'll just wait for this so that I can cancel it. This is fashion store. as well lifestyle. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'm just going to save websites. Our website name is lifestyle. Okay, so let me search my. Okay, this is, you can see. Okay, now I'm going to click on this so that we can see how it will look like. Okay, this is going to this is coming appearance in front of you. See, some pages you can add some categories related to lifestyle, because there are so many sub niches. I hope there are so many sub niches in your niche which you are working with. Okay, so that will show you here. You can show that here. This will be a home. This all you have to just play around with this top news. Okay, you can import some news into your websites. Okay, some most actually this is a complete content. You can just put your product in this page, okay, with your affiliate link button. Okay, so you will earn from that online sales, and this will go for monetization after 30 to 40 posts. Okay, so you will earn from monetizations too, and it will create fresh content all time, because article rewriter already inside this. We will discuss that later. Okay, so this is a complete bundle which is going to save your time, reduce your time with your work, and increasing your result and capabilities and efficiency. Okay, now, so this is manage categories. So let me show you what is inside this. Okay, this is categories like crypto, health, okay, diet, and different things. Okay, you can also add category by this. So I'm going to add lifestyle website list, website list. Let me see my, this is lifestyle. This is, I already created in front of you right now. Okay, so submit, and your listing also will show here. This is, okay, you can see this is, you can edit, you can delete also. Okay, so this is all things are normal. So let me see one more. This is pages, so that you can add some pages into your website. Okay, which I already shown you. This is C. Okay, when you add some pages there, those all page will show up here. Okay, all categories will blown up here, which I already added right now. Okay, that is how you have to model it, complete website. Okay, and okay, you can some add pages, for example, contact us, privacy policy, disclaimer, anything. Okay, page name is contact us. Website list is lifestyle, which I already done. Enable pages, yes, obviously you can put some logo if you want. And page content, contact it, put your email ID. Okay, 7, that's how. Okay, and you can submit. Okay, so I'm not doing that. For example, I'm doing this. So let me see. I think this is contact us. See. Okay, so I added my page. Okay, just you have to model it so that your complete website will look like professional. And later, after posting some posts and some blogs or whatever you can say, just go for monetization. Okay, apply for that. Now manage slider. This is again simple thing. Okay, I will show you from above only. Okay, you can add some slider and all, so that we can go on main point. Okay, so I'm just showing what is coming here. Slide, what slide, what name question I'm giving. List is, this is my website. Some more websites you can see, fashion related website. Let me see here it is or not. Actually I made one. Okay, leave it. So lifestyle I did. Okay, so this is website. Slider image, choose according to you. This image should be too much big. Okay, like this. See, this much pixel should be at least. Okay, so on your website, generally if you are e-com guy, or if you are not, even just go to the Shopify store And generally you can see function like slider images so that your appearance of your website look very better. Okay, actually this is complete click redirection URL. You can just put your page and all. Okay, and then you can just submit. I'm not going to do that. So what things? Manage settings. Okay, so just because of that, your website will look like a good spin rewriter email. Put your email. Okay, are you getting this or not? Let me show you. Okay, if you are using any spin rewriter, put the API key here. Okay, you have to put API key. Okay, so directly you can import some function of your API application and it will rewrite your content directly. If this website is creating importing some content for you from different sources, just use them and it will create fresh content for you. Okay, you can go for paid spin rewrite tools and also you can go for free rewriter tools. So that let me show you. For example, Chim rewriter. Okay, this is I think free. Pricing also available, but pricing are too much less. Okay, for example, I'm going to for this and let me see if there is any API keys available or not. Or let me show you one more alternative, which is Spinbot. I think Spinbot. Let me see this one. If I'm not getting any type of API key from here, so I will try it for free. Your name hits. My email is this one. I'm going to do this. Actually, I'm looking for API key so that I can show you, okay, what is it actually and how to do all that things. But I think API key will be, okay, this is API pricing. Clicking on this, this is Spinbot. Let me see something if here is available or not so that we can move on. Actually, if you are coming on this video, so you will see each and everything. Okay, for overview, you can go ahead with another videos also. Okay, because here I am taking some time. And if you want to do this for you, you can think for your future and also you need to test each and everything. And that is why I'm doing this. Okay, how to use Spinboard article spin API, create account, and these all things and all. Okay, leave it. Actually, I was looking for something free. Actually, here it is, but I need to log in my email and also it will take much time. So no worry, leave it. Okay, I hope you will understand. Just you have to put your API key here, you have to submit and directly it will start rewriting your content. So it will save your a big time. Okay. Actually, sometimes I write blogs, too much blogs. So I have to write them by my own. I don't rewrite them. Okay, but if you are doing here online marketing, so you can go ahead with this. Okay. So manage settings, manage campaigns and all. Okay, let me show you all these main points and then we will bind up this. So campaign listing, so this already made, so I am going to create one new website. List is, this is my lifestyle and this is fashion, this is again mine. Okay, I made this before. Now this is lifestyle. Category list, lifestyle. I already made category in front of you, you know this. Content, source type, your source type. Content, what to type, what you want to put content on your website. Use are done for you content, you can go ahead with this. News content, if you are using any application, connect that by using API key. Okay, you already know this. Content source 1 2. So I'm going to do this, done for you. Okay, so please choose. Okay, you can choose any type of the option. If there is lifestyle, okay, leave it. I'm just going to choose this one for example and just going to submit. Lifestyle and oh, let me see what type of the name will come up here. This is lifestyle. No, just click on this. how to see this. I think it is, this is campaign, so maybe it will not look like that. Just refresh it if some changes done here or not, so that we can see here. Too much time it is taking. I think some changes done. That is why this is taking, because we made some pages, we made some categories, and this time we made campaign. So let it take time and we should go ahead, I think. So I'm going to leave this here. Okay, just move on. So manage and all, manage articles, it's too much easy. You can do this by using your rewriter tool and by your own also. So now I'm going to inline keyword. So now what it will do, you have to just put your keyword. Okay, when you put your keyword, it will import some content related on your keyword, okay, according to your keyword. So add inline keyword. So let me show you website list. This is my website which I already created in front of you. In this category list, I want to import some content. Okay, so this is already pre-made, which I already chosen some template in front of you. Okay, some content I already chosen from done for you. So keyword is lifestyle, same. Okay, lifestyle, target link. Target link, what will be here? Target link, what should be target link? Let me copy this and put this. This will be target link. I think actually I'm putting my own website on which I want to put some content. Let me see what happened. Edit, but lifestyle, I'm not able to see where is lifestyle. It's not there. No worry. These are some trainings. You can take it. Okay. I'm just showing you a demo. Maybe I don't have right to do this and all. So that is why it is not showing you. So just leave it. Ads manager. It will come in the picture when you get monetization for your website. Okay, then you can play around with this. Okay, you can some add advertisement. I hope you know all these things. Add advertisement means on your website appearance. This is your website. Okay, this is my website which I created in front of you. Advertisement position you can put on your pages at bottom and upside. Okay, on top, left, right. Just this is for that. Okay, and when someone will click on that advertise, you will get income from monetization. Okay, some banners you can put. Okay, some banners, it will be behind look. Okay, behind your headlines or your line headings and like that. So please select, for example, homepage. I don't have right now code. You will get all these things. So for example, banner. I'm submitting. It will be done. No worry. This is, you can see here it is. Okay. So when you will get monetization, then this is important. Otherwise, this is not important in starting. Okay. So you can change password and all. Okay. This is not a new password, retype password. That's it. Simple, pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you training because this is too much important for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules are here for you to train for you. So let me see how long these videos are going to be. So this one will be for, let me click on this, 3 minutes video. First one, 3 minutes. Second one will be 2 minutes. Okay. Third one, 1 minute. Each and everything you will know in this training. Okay, don't worry, don't think it is too much small. 1 minute 42 seconds. This is not too much small. This is only point to point training. Okay, not time wasting training. In general, people make 1 hour 2 hour training and you generally forget later what I learned from in starting. Okay, so this is 1 minute training, each and everything. How to add advertisement, how to use inline keyword to monetize and all. Okay, how to add categories. This is too much simple. I already shown you. Banglify, how to add campaigns, how to add website. This all things are too much easy. Now this is bonus. I'm not going to show you. This is much pretty simple things. Okay, I will show you my bonuses. This is upgrades. Already you know what is this. Support. If you are feeling some doubts and confusion, just directly contact them. Done from my side. Okay, I'm done from my side. So this will be a sales page. So you are going to get this for $12, I think, 14 or $12. It will show you $14, but you can go ahead for $2 discount. Let it load so that I can show you. Otherwise, we can move on. I hope you got the main point of this tool. What is this tool for? Okay, $2 discount. Congratulations. If you click on this, you will get on this. Okay, so you can go through, you can go on this page to the link below, and you can get instant access from here. Okay, completed from my side. Now come and meet my bonuses. This time I'm providing you 10 exclusive bonuses. Okay, you when you come on this page, you will see this all these things you are going to get in this tool, which is Banklify. Now these are some bonuses, which is client extractor. Okay, so it is totally different. Okay, it will actually, it is for local people. Okay, in your area, you can get, after using this tool, you can get name, address and email of your client. Okay, if you are in drop services, because if you become perfect in this, okay, in this work, if you become perfect, you can go ahead with drop servicing also. In that servicing, this tool will work for you. You can provide some services to your clients, okay, near about you, and you can get paid. Okay, simple. Now this is action seems to me later. Actually, this time I'm coming with 10 bonuses. I'm not going to showing each and everything, each and every features of all bonuses. These are already very high level bonuses. You can go outside on Google, on YouTube, and you can search about them. You will know the value of these bonuses, what which you are going to get. Okay, this is action stimulator, converts traffic into instant buyers. How it will do that? You can go and search. Now this is Telegram. Okay, boost your marketing effective on Instagram. You already know the power of Instagram. Okay, too much big audience on Instagram available nowadays. You have to put this all these tools and actions on that, and you will start getting some results from there also. Okay. Now this one is FB audience builder. This will be different social media platform so that you can earn something from there also. Okay, automatic you are going to increase your sources. Okay, it's just because of this tool. Okay, because this bonuses also I'm providing you. Response box, auto manage Facebook comments. This is automation. Okay, Facebook traffic engine, drive FB likes, shares and traffic. Again, you can get some sales from here. Now this is image grab. Okay, you are going to turn your images into blog posts that drives traffic. Actually, thumbnails generally play too much big role. Okay, to grab some attention of your audience and customers and visitors. Now this is Insta Shop. Directly you can create shop on Facebook and Insta. This is different feature. Okay, just because of this, you can do that and you can put your all products there. So people if come on your shop, you can again get some sales from that. Actually, this is different. Okay, this is different on same platform. This is different platform. This is the different stream. So again, one more source you are going to get. This is Pinterest. Okay, build, track, and grow Pinterest friend. Okay, go and just go outside and know the power of Pinterest. You will know all these things. Viral suit. This is again exclusive bonus. This is my last bonus and this will be exclusive. It will viral your offers and all those things just to increase sales. So this is complete a bonus bundle package. Okay, if you go with this, even if you pick up front end, okay, you will get all these things as a bonus for free, and completely it will change your journey. You should try this one. Why? Because you have 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, if you think even after using this, if you think this is not for me, just go ahead with this. Okay, so we are not taking money out of your pocket. So I'm done from my side. Okay, we will meet later in the next video. Till then, bye.